Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Well, Strategy has acquired $110.2 million worth of BTC as the price trades near its all-time high level. According to a Monday US SEC filing, Strategy acquired 1,045 Bitcoin at an average price of $105,426 per coin. The company now holds 582,000 BTC acquired for about $40.8 billion at an average price of around $70,086 per BTC. Now, the announcement follows Strategy co-founder and executive chairman Michael Saylor hinting at the purchase on June 8. This buy marks the 9th consecutive week that Strategy has acquired Bitcoin. Energy management firm KULR is looking to raise up to $300 million by selling shares of its common stock in an at-the-market offering facilitated by Cantor Fitzgerald. The funds will be used for general corporate purposes, including working capital and the acquisition of more BTC, the company said in an SEC filing. Now, California-based KULR began using Bitcoin as its primary treasury reserve asset in late 2024, adopting a strategy similar to that of Strategy. Now, it currently holds 920 BTC. ANAP Holdings, a company listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange, has announced a third-party directed capital increase totaling 11.5 billion yen. So approximately 8 billion yen of this amount will be denominated in Bitcoin, while the remainder will be received in yen but later converted into Bitcoin. The company plans to hold Bitcoin for the medium to long term to strengthen its financial structure and expand its business and investment strategies. Well, the entire capital increase will be subscribed by the investment fund Capital Typhoon. Bitmine Immersion Technologies, a Bitcoin-focused technology company, has taken its first step into treasury accumulation with the open market purchase of 100 Bitcoin. The acquisition marks the launch of Bitmine's formal BTC treasury business. The 100 BTC were purchased using funds raised through Bitmine's recent public stock offering, which closed on June 6, 2025. Now, the offering raised $18 million through the sale of 250,000 shares at $8 per share. Now, Bitmine emphasized in its announcement that the move is just the beginning. The company expects to make more Bitcoin purchases moving forward, pointing to a sustained long-term accumulation plan. South Korean lawmaker Min Byung-teuk has introduced a new bill aimed at strengthening crypto regulations. Called the Digital Asset Basic Act, the proposal includes a licensing system for stablecoin issuers. Now, to qualify, issuers must hold over 500 million Korean won, or about $367,890 in owner's capital. Min, a member of the ruling Democratic Party, said the bill is designed to position South Korea as a leader in global digital economy by setting clearer rules for the crypto space. Amazon is planning to pour $20 billion into US state of Pennsylvania to build 2 new data centers to expand its AI infrastructure. So the location for the data centers is still up in the air, with Salem Township and Falls Township as the front runners, but other Pennsylvania communities are under consideration, according to a June 9 statement from Amazon. And along with the data centers, Amazon said it has partnered with Pennsylvania educational institutions and workforce organizations to create training centers that support careers in cloud computing infrastructure. BlackRock's spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund has become the fastest ETF in history to surpass $70 billion in assets under management. Well, IBIT just blew through $70 billion and is now the fastest ETF to hit or ever hit that mark in only 341 days, ETF analyst Eric Balchunas said in a June 9 X post. So Balchunas said that the milestone was approximately 5 times faster than the previous record holder, SPDR Gold shares, which took 1,691 trading days to reach $70 billion AUM. The Hong Kong government is partnering with Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol to test cross-border transactions between permissioned and permissionless blockchains, as well as settlements using different types of digital assets. The partnership is part of Phase 2 of Hong Kong CBDC initiative. Now, according to a report from the payment company Visa, the initiative will involve a hypothetical Australian investor who wishes to purchase a tokenized asset in Hong Kong. After requesting the purchase in a stablecoin pegged to Australia's currency, the transaction will be routed via interactions across multiple blockchains. And finally, the purchased asset finds its way into the investor's wallet, denominated in Hong Kong CBDC. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has introduced a groundbreaking Bitcoin DeFi solution called the Cardano protocol. This marks the first time Bitcoin can be used in decentralized finance on Cardano without relying on third-party custodians. So created by Input-Output HK, Cardano allows people to use any Bitcoin UTXO to get DeFi yield. Now users can take part in lending, borrowing, staking or farming Bitcoin on Cardano. Wrapped UTXO is the key part of this innovation and can be burned to get Bitcoin or ordinals. Rather than having to rely on custodians, Cardano uses the multi-sig 2 or multi-signature method. It makes peg-in and peg-out transaction possible, ensuring everything is clear and verifiable, and it is compatible with Ethereum, Solana and Avalanche networks. Societe Generale Forge, the crypto subsidiary of French financial services company Societe Generale, has launched a new US dollar-pegged stablecoin. According to a June 10 announcement, the stablecoin dubbed USD Convertible will be issued on the Ethereum and Solana blockchain. So, United Kingdom-based financial services firm BNY will act as the custodian for the assets backing the stablecoin. The announcement follows the firm's April 2023 launch of its euro-pegged stablecoin EUR Convertible or for institutional customers. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates and do log on to our website www.3voicetv.io or scan the QR code.